I'm Lisa, and I'm going to do question 54 in chapter 13 of Principles of Chemistry. Okay, so this problem, there's three parts to this problem. First you have to find the mole fraction, and then the mass percent, and then the molality. So you're given that you have a solution of 0.100 moles of NaCl dissolved in 8.60 moles of water. Okay, so for the first part, you want to find the mole fraction. The mole fraction is X. The mole fraction of NaCl is the moles of NaCl over the total moles. So for this one, you're already given both substances in moles. So all you have to do is divide the moles, which is 0.100 of NaCl, by the total moles, which the total would just be the moles of NaCl plus the moles of water, which is 0.100 plus 8.60 moles. And this gives you the mole fraction of NaCl, which is 0.0115. And since moles cancel out, the mole fraction doesn't have a unit. The second part of this question asks for the percent mass. So for this, to find the percent mass, you need to find the masses. You're given moles, so to find mass for moles, you need to use the molar mass. The mass of NaCl can be found by taking your 0.11 or 100 moles and you cancel out moles with the molar mass, which is 58.44 grams per mole. So moles cancel out, and you get 5.844 grams of NaCl. And you do the same thing to find the grams of water. So the mass of water, you take your 8.60 moles, you cancel out the moles and find grams with the molar mass of water, which is 18.02 grams per mole. And then you find that you have 154.927 grams of water. So to find the percent mass of NaCl, it's the mass of NaCl over the total mass. So percent mass so your mass of NaCl is 5.844 grams, and you divide that by the total mass, which is the mass of the NaCl plus the mass of the water. And let's see. 154.927 plus 5.844. Okay, and I didn't calculate this before. Yeah, divided by the sum of 154.927 plus 5.844. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I got it, sorry. it's the percent, so you also multiply by 100%, and you get 3.63% NaCl by mass. Now, the third part of this problem, I'm going to erase this because it doesn't really have to do with anything. The third part of this problem is the molality. So molality is the number of moles of solute over the kilograms of solvent. So you already have the moles of solute, which is the 0.100 moles of NaCl. Let's see, this is part C. I'm trying to find this. Okay, and then the kilograms of the water. You need to find what that is so that you can divide and find your molality. To find the kilograms of water, you take the grams of water, which you found in part B over here, and you divide it by 1,000. So that gives you, let's see, 154.927 grams. Do 1,000 grams per kilogram, and you get 0.154927 kilograms. Yeah. So since molality, the little m is the moles of NaCl over the kilograms of water, you divide the moles by the kilograms, and you get that your solution is 0.645 molal, with the little m, NaCl.